Hi. This week, I wanted to talk about language and meaning. Language is made up of words and symbols that help people share ideas, but words don't always mean exactly what we think. Today, I'll talk about how words get meaning, why some meanings are kind of random, and how understanding context matters. One important idea is that words and the things they represent are mostly arbitrary, which means there's no natural connection. They just work because people agree on them. Ferdinand de Saussure, a famous linguist, explained that words have two parts. The signifier is the word or sound, like dog. The signified is the idea of a dog in your mind. The sound dog doesn't naturally mean a dog. It's just something speakers of English agreed on. Words also get meaning by being different from other words, which is why frugal and stingy feel different, even if they're similar. Words can also be tricky because some words have more than one meaning. For example, bank can mean the side of a river or a place where you keep your money. This shows that knowing a word isn't enough. You have to know the context. Charles Sanders Peirce, who studied how signs work, said that signs can be symbols, icons, or indexes. This is why language can sometimes be confusing or funny, because people interpret meanings in different ways. I think this is especially true when reading online or listening to someone who's not being very clear. Understanding that words can be arbitrary or confusing can be useful in real life. It helps when learning new languages because words only mean something if people agree on them. It also helps us understand the difference between denotation, which is the dictionary meaning, and connotation, which is the extra feelings or ideas a word gives. For example, cabin and cottage both mean a small house, but they give different feelings. This can help with reading, writing, and even talking to others. In conclusion, week 6 taught me that language is not just about words. It's about how we use them and how we understand them. Thanks for listening.